Circular motion. You're doing fine, but go in a slight circular motion. And try to use the tips, that way you can see it right on, there you go, like this. So you can see it. Circular motion, there you go. Work on the next one. You're starting to take material off. Go on to the next one.
Right?
You're starting to take too much material off. Go on to the next one.
Okay.
Doing good. Go to the next one. Keep getting nailed with those mosquitoes, huh? Try not to do it flat. Try to use.
Use the corner of it, eh? If you use it flat, what'll happen is it'll bounce.
He's doing it. He's got it. It's just every once in a while he goes flat especially when he gets hit with the mosquitoes.
Jump. See, here. See how here. I want you to look at this. See how the brushes are going? Okay, when you're going flat, see what you do is. That's more damage. That's more damage. This way. The flat ain't gonna do nothing. You see these?
Use the edge of it.
See,
Use the edge of it.
Edge, like this. Hold it on the side, like that.
There you go. Nice. Good job. Good job. Real good job. Ow, ow, ow.